अच्छा जी, इसके बाद है ब्रिज फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर। अब ज़रा यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ पर सेंटर टैप में हम फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर यूज़ किया करते थे, लेकिन उसमें कम से कम 2 डायोड्स की ज़रूरत होती है इन ऑर्डर टू मेक द रेक्टिफायर एज फुल वेव। नाउ फॉर ब्रिज वी हैव नीड ऑफ 4 diodes connected in the form of bridge. Now for positive half cycle it will become positive half cycle, it is positive, it is negative, it is again positive, and it is negative. Now the current will start to flow towards A. If we observe that D1 has P side connected with positive and N side with the negative, so it is in forward biasing for positive half cycle. Okay, now and D4 is reversed bias for positive half cycle. The current will flow in this direction and will reach to D. Now here at D we have junction connected with the diode D3. Here we have N side of this diode D3 and P here. So N is directly connected with positive, so this is again reverse bias for positive half cycle. Now the current will flow through R, that is R load, and will reach to point C. Here again we have a junction. Here initially it was a reverse for positive, so again it will still in reverse bias. So the current will flow through D2 and will reach to this transformer secondary coil and will complete what? Complete the circuit. For positive half cycle, D1 and D2 behave as forward bias for positive half cycle when allow the positive half cycle to pass and will be attained at the output. Now for negative half cycle, if we have negative half cycle, what will happen? This positive will become negative and this negative will become positive. Now current will flow from positive towards point B. Here at B, if we observe, D3 is in forward bias because P of this diode is connected with positive and the N of D2 is connected with negative. N is directly connected with positive, so this is in reverse bias for D2 is in reverse bias for negative half cycle and D3 is in forward bias for negative half cycle. So the current will pass through D3 and will reach at D. Now again at D, D1 is having negative side connected with positive, so it is again in reverse bias. So D1 behave like reverse in the for negative half cycle. The current is again now flow through L and will reach to point C. What will happen at C? Initially this was in reverse for negative and it will be still in reverse, so the current will flow in this direction and will reach at A. Now at A, this diode D1 was in reverse bias for this positive potential and the current will flow from here to here and will complete what? The circuit. So in negative half cycle, if we observe the current is passing through D3 and D4, so negative half cycle will also be appeared at the output as positive maximum, and this positive maximum peak value is due to D3 and D4. So in this process a DC will be get at the output and such an AC will be in the form of consecutive positive peaks. In the half wave rectifier this peak was vanished and in the full wave rectifier this peak is recovered. Now we are going to discuss its frequency again. If we have what? AC and we take output, so again there are two peaks in equal time to the AC, in which the AC is covering one cycle, so this DC output is again having 2 peaks, so frequency of the output is again 2 times of the frequency of the AC, and time period is again for output is half of the time period of the AC. And similarly, as we determine VRMS for center tape full wave rectifier, it was V0 divided by under root 2, and for full bridge wave rectifier it will be again V0 divided by under root 2. Okay. Now dear students, we are going to discuss the frequency of full wave rectifier. That is, for AC, if we see in 1 second, if there is 1 cycle, then in full wave rectifier this positive remains the positive and this negative will become positive as well. So from here to here, if the time is how much? The time is 1 second. So if we see the number of cycles for AC in 1 second is equal to 1, so frequency of FAC is 1 hertz. But if we observe that in 1 second there are 2 peaks, so frequency, the number of peaks in a time is F out, and there are 2 peaks in a unit time, so frequency is 2 hertz, which means that F out is equal to 2 times of the frequency of the AC in full wave rectifier. Either it is center taped full wave rectifier or it is bridge. In both of the cases, the frequency out will be equal to 2 times of the frequency. Okay. Also if we compare time period at the out for half wave rectifier is equal to time period of AC, and time period of out for full wave rectifier is half of the time period of AC. So keep in mind that these points are very, very important.